Start ArcGIS Pro and choose to create a new blank project. A default name and location are suggested, but wise users mindfully select appropriate names and locations for data. Name the project New Jersey and specify the GIS class Projects folder as the location to store it. Use Insert Project New Map to create a new map. Rename the map NJ Data. Use the Catalog Favorites tab to add the MGIS data folder to the project. Open the catalog view in the display area, not the catalog pane. Remember to use the contents pane, not the catalog pane, to navigate when in catalog view. Click the databases entry to see the home geodatabase, New Jersey. Click the folders entry to see the home folder, New Jersey, and the connection to the MGIS data folder just added. Double-click the MGIS data folder to see its contents. The data underneath is organized geographically. Open the Oregon folder and the Oregon Data Geodatabase. Choose Home, Options, Display Type, Tiles. Examine the data type beneath each dataset name. Explore the data in the MGIS data folder. Try to find an example of each data type listed in Table 5.1. In the Contents pane, click the Portal, All Portal entry. Type New Jersey in the Search Portal box and press Enter. Examine the different icons and the data type each represents. Try to find an example of a feature layer and a layer package. Click an item to view its metadata. Examine the metadata for several datasets, and note which appear professionally authored and which appear slapdash. The quality of the metadata is an important clue to the quality of the dataset. Switch to the NJ Data Map view and open the map properties for the NJ Data map. View the coordinate system settings. Type State Plane into the search box and click Enter. Expand the State Plane entry in the Projected Coordinate System folder. Scroll down and expand the Plane NAD 1983 meters entry. Do not choose ones labeled Course 96, PA 11, HARN, or anything else. Find the NAD 1983 State Plane, New Jersey, FIPS 2900 meters coordinate system. And click to select it. Also click the star to add it to your favorites. Click OK. Arrange the geoprocessing and catalog panes side by side. If both are currently in the same window, click the tab of one to separate it before docking it elsewhere. Make sure the catalog pane shows the Project tab with the local data. Expand the Folders entry to see the contents of the MGIS Data USA US Data Geodatabase. In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Feature Class to Feature Class tool. In the Catalog pane, find the state's feature class in the US Data Geodatabase. Click and drag it to the Input Features box on the tool. In the tool, leave the output location set to the Home Geodatabase, New Jersey. Name the output feature class NJ Bound. Click Add Clause. Enter the expression state name is equal to New Jersey. Click the green check mark under the clause to verify the expression. Click Run to run the tool. The state of New Jersey appears on the map. In Contents, open the Layer Properties for the NJ Bound layer and examine the spatial reference entry in the source settings. In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Project tool. Set the input dataset to NJ Bound and name the output NJ Bound Gen. Set the output coordinate system. Since we set the map CS, we can simply choose Current Map NJ Data from the drop-down to set it to New Jersey State Plane. Run the tool. In the Catalog pane, expand Folders New Jersey, and then expand the New Jersey Home Geodatabase. Right-click the NJ Bound feature class and choose Delete. Click Yes to confirm. Open the Feature Class to Feature Class tool. From the Catalog pane, click and drag the city's feature class from the US Data Geodatabase to the Input Features box on the tool. Leave the output location as the New Jersey Home Geodatabase. Name the output feature class NJ Cities. Click Add Clause and enter the expression state is equal to NJ. Near the top of the tool, click the Environments tab. Set the Output Coordinate System drop-down to Current Map NJ Data. Leave the other settings alone. Click the Parameters heading to return to the tool parameters. Run the tool. In Contents, open the Layer Properties for the new NJ Cities layer and examine the spatial reference in the source settings. The Feature Class to Feature Class tool is probably still open. Click the back arrow and reopen the tool to clear the current parameters. Set the input features to counties by dragging them from the Catalog pane. Name the output feature class NJ Counties. Enter the expression state name is equal to New Jersey. Click the Environments tab and set the Output Coordinate System to Current Map NJ data. Switch back to the Parameters tab and click Run.